Yo, what's up? Is your boy Android JTag here with another video of the Galaxy S5 imei repair. This time we're doing the G900A, which is the AT&T variant. As you can see right there. And I'll tell you which box I'm using, the C3X box interface with a special program. So yeah, let's get to it. And it does have a, as you can see right there, writing the imei. You can see right now. You can see he's writing the command. There it goes. I'm able to do the repair the G900T, G900A, the G900V, the G900Fi, mostly all of them. As you can see, T-Mobile on the left hand corner. Just make a quick test call.
Thanks for calling T-Mobile customer service. Para servicio en español, diga español o marque.
There you go. Okay, there you go. That's what I wanted to go. imei certificate pass. So that means no issues whatsoever. I will show you my imei that I'm using, but since I'm using a special generator classify softwares, and I know most of you people are gonna clone the imei, which is I don't want to guys to do that. But there you go. Any guys have a question, just hit me up or leave a comment. Laters. Peace out.